Good morning, students of class 12. Today we will do the revision work according to your upcoming examinations. So, we are going to study. Last time we have studied Cold War, the revision work on Cold War. Today we will do the revision work on World War II, and then we'll move on. Every day we'll do revision work of each lessons, and whatever notes and question answers were discussed over it, same thing will only be there, so you have to study those. So the worksheets I will give you, revision works on that, those worksheets you have to practice. So World War II. First of all, in World War II, what topics you are studying? The topics are the factors which are leading to the war and aggressive policies of Germany. Now, there were certain factors which led to the war. First was the aggressive policies of Hitler, boycott of disarmament conference of 1932. What happened in this? In this, from the very beginning, Hitler had no faith in the ideas of the League of Nations. So, in this situation, he started to arm Germany separately and avoided the World Disarmament Conference also, which was held at Geneva. Germany withdrew from this disarmament conference and League of Nations on October 1938 because it had different designs in its mind. The designs were to again attack and go into war. So, German-Polish Pact of 1934 was launched, in which Hitler signed a 10-year non-aggression pact with Poland in January in 1934. Some German territories like Danzig, Posen, Silesia and others were handed over to Poland by the Treaty of Versailles. Hitler, on the other hand, wanted to include all Germans in a greater German state. Thus, naturally, Hitler's rise to power caused a great alarm in Poland. There was certain non-aggression pact which was signed with Poland on 26th January 1934. But the real motive of Hitler was what? To weaken the defense measures of France. Next policy was plebiscite and Saar. Now what happened? According to the Treaty of Versailles, Saar region was detached from Germany. France then only occupied Saar region, exploited the resources. In the meantime, what happened? Nazis started to interfere in this region and into the Saar region and continued the propaganda in favor of Germany. Next was German intervention in Spanish Civil War. Spain had a republican government which was moving towards communism. General Franco then organized a revolt to save the country from the communists. Thus broke the terrible civil war and there between the pro-communist republican government and pro-fascist Franco's army, which is very important point. And students, remember you should keep on practicing long questions now, because I am giving you the questions for practice in the worksheet related to long questions also. So keep practicing, not only a short one word answer in the notes form which you are studying for 6 marks also. You have to study it carefully. Keep on practicing it. There was capture of Rhineland, Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis, annexation of Austria were certain of the policies of Hitler. Intervention of Czechoslovakia from 1938 to Finland occupation in 1939 was one of the major policies of Hitler. According to the Versailles Treaty, a new state of Czechoslovakia was created comprising Austrian territories of Moravia, Silesia, Bohemia. Now, this region had a mixed population, such as Germans, Slovaks, Magyars, and Poles. So, the Sudeten Germans were highly conscious of their German blood, and Hitler demanded that Sudeten should be handed over to Germany. So, short questions can 6 marks be there. So, explain the Hitler's policies of intervention in Czechoslovakia, 6 marks. So, this note in your book sufficient. So, German Fascist Party there. Hitler had also decided to destroy Czechoslovakia as a part of his Lebensraum policy or living space. Thus, the situation became critical because if France and Britain supported Czechoslovakia, Hitler would send his army to attain his objectives. In this situation, British Prime Minister Chamberlain felt that the only way to avoid a general European war was to accept the German demand. Britain, France, Germany, and Italy signed the Munich Pact on 29 September 1938. The big powers then declared to protect the remaining part of Czechoslovakia. The next was German attack on Poland. After Munich Pact, which inspired Hitler, was demanded the city of Danzig for construction of German highway across the Polish corridor. The Polish government naturally refused to consider the German demand on the basis of Anglo-French guarantee to protect Poland. Thus, the British Prime Minister Chamberlain now gave up his policy of appeasement and declared that Britain would help Poland in case of any German attack. So, Chamberlain wanted Russia to his side and started negotiation with Russia. In the meantime, Russia and Germany signed a non-aggression pact on 23rd August 1939 for 10 years. In this situation, the Polish government invited Germany for a discussion, which Hitler flatly refused. Hitler was now convinced that Britain and France would not risk any intervention in Poland because Russia would remain neutral for the non-aggression pact with Germany. So when Britain ratified the guarantee to Poland, Hitler took it as a bluff, but which was a very big mistake of Hitler. So this was a miscalculation of Hitler about Poland. He never thought the strength of Britain and France would risk the war. The Chamberlain wrote to Hitler that in his judgment, no question was an issue between Germany and Poland which could not and should be resolved without the use of force. So they wanted first in the beginning part without using the force, but because of Hitler's intervention so aggressively, they were using the force, applying the force and entering into war methods. So on 1st September 1939, Germany attacked Poland without any formal declaration of war. On 3rd September, Britain and France declared war on Germany. Thus began the Second World War. So this is one of the major cause for the Second World War. So, suppose the question comes, what was the cause of the Second World War? So Hitler's miscalculation related to Poland issue was one of the major cause for the Second World War. So questions which you are practicing from this is the aggressive nationalism of Italy and Germany, which was responsible for many acts of violence, led to Second World War. In this context, explain Italy's invasion of Abyssinia, Spanish Civil War, Austria Union with Germany. So these all questions we have discussed already. Describe briefly Nazi conquest of Europe from invasion of Poland 19 to fall of France from 1940. That's Czechoslovakia case and Poland case. Then Mussolini's foreign policy towards Nazi Germany from 1939 to 1940, same. The change in Mussolini's foreign policies. So these are all topics you have to study in long questions. In short questions, maximum we have discussed. So today in worksheets, revision questions I will give you. So few topics which you will study and keep on reading the test books and read the answers, read the questions properly. Short questions also read it, and 6 marks also questions you have to read it. Keep on continuing in that. Okay, so few worksheet questions for practice I will give you today. Follow it and practice those. Thank you.